The first step is what exactly freelancing is. So that is why earlier I asked this question, what you understand about freelancing. For the sake of discussion, here's a definition I got from the internet, but let me just expound it a little bit more. So this is freelancing, now, according to a certain website. Freelancing refers to when you perform online jobs or you work as a freelance online over the internet. And there are many different aspects to freelancing online, and that includes freelance writing, software or web development, virtual assistant, customer service, information technology, data entry, graphics design, web design, what else? Transcription, bookkeeping, online bookkeeping, proofreading, copywriting, and all these terms that we often hear from social media or on LinkedIn or in the news. Essentially digital jobs or jobs that you can do with only your computer and the internet, and of course with other tools or software that you need for you to deliver the job. But here's the thing. Freelancing, by the way, is actually not just a job. I'm not sure if you have heard me saying about this, that I see it differently. Freelancing is a business. It may not be a business for you today, but it can be a business for you in the next months or years. So it's just a matter of learning the landscape of freelancing, understanding how it works. And once you do it, once you are doing it, once you are skilled enough, once you are good enough in freelancing, time will come wherein you will realize that you can actually scale this one into a bigger business. I call this as you multiply yourself. For example, when I started, I don't have TechWorks yet. I just have myself as an individual freelancer. But as months, years, I realized that I need to have a team. Okay, and with that, I started training people. I started sharing my expertise. I started getting the word out there about freelancing and how they can join me as well in this area. And it came to a point where I was able to build a team. And on that case, it's no longer just me doing the freelance work, the freelance projects or whatever you call it, but a lot of teammates also are working with me. And if you look at it, it's already a business, because it's just that you are able to scale that one from being a sole freelancer to a bigger team with several teammates also working with you. That's how I define freelancing. And by the way, I often hear this one, that is freelancing work from home? Well, freelancing can be a work from home, but not necessarily. So it's different from work from home, because work from home is particularly during these times, during this pandemic, wherein private companies, even the government employees, just because they were allowed to work at home because of the situation, they call that one as work from home, but they cannot call that one as freelancing actually. Because why? They are not working independently with a client, but they are just working from home, but they have their employer and they are still under that umbrella of what we call as corporate world. It's still different. Another thing is online jobs. Yes, online jobs, it can be compared to freelancing because most freelancing jobs is usually done online.